Question number 1.
The sun in the east. A. Rise. B. Rises. C. Rising.
Question number 2.
They playing football when it started to rain. A where B was C are
Question number 3.
I finished my homework before dinner yesterday.
Question number 4.
She goes to the gym every morning.
Question number 5.
We not see him since last summer. A did B have C have not.
Question number 6.
By next year, he his degree. A completes B, will have completed C, has completed.
Question number 7.
The teacher asked if we were ready. A are B where C is.
Question number 8.
The dog loudly every night. A bark, B barks, C barking.
Question number 9.
Neither of the answers correct. A is B, are C were.
Question number 10.
A bouquet of flowers on the table. A are B is C were.
Question number 11.
Mathematics my favorite subject. A is B are C were.
Question number 12.
The news very surprising. A is B, are C were.
Question number 13.
Each of the players a medal. A have B has C having.
Question number 14.
A number of people waiting outside. A is by B are C was.
Question number 15.
If it rains, the ground A will get wet. B gets wet. C got wet.
Question number 16.
If you study, you pass the exam. A, would be, will see, were.
Question number 17.
If I rich, I would travel the world. A, am, be, was see, were.
Question number 18.
If he had studied, he passed the test. A, will be, would have, see, would.
Question number 19.
She is taller than her brother. A, then B. Then C, 2.
Question number 20.
He is the runner in the team. A, fast, B, faster, C, fastest.
Question number 21.
This book is than that one. A, good, B, better, C, best.
Question number 22.
The flowers smell sweet.
Question number 23.
She sings than anyone else. A, more beautifully, B, most beautifully, C, beautiful.
Question number 24.
He arrived late for the meeting. A, to B, very, C, enough.
Question number 25.
She spoke during the presentation. A, confident, B, confidently, C, confidence.
Question number 26.
The pen is the table. A on B at C in...
Question number 27.
He was born June, A in B on C at...
Question number 28.
We met Monday morning. A in B on C at...
Question number 29.
The train leaves 7 a.m. sharp. A on B at C in...
Question number 30.
She was absent school yesterday. A from B in C at...
Question number 31.
He is married a doctor. A to B with C of...
Question number 32.
She is fond reading novels. A of B in C with...
Question number 33.
This is the boy won the prize. A, who, B, whom, C, whose.
Question number 34.
The person to whom I spoke was very kind. A, whom B, who C, whose.
Question number 35.
The girl bag was stolen is crying. A, whose B, who C, whom.
Question number 36.
That is the car I bought yesterday. A, who B, which C, whom.
Question number 37.
The man helped me was very kind. A, who B, whose C, whom.
Question number 38.
He will come it rains or not. A, whether B, if C, since.
Question number 39.
She wanted to go shopping. She had no money. A, but B, so C, and...
Question number 40.
I was tired. I went to bed early. A, but B, so C, or...
Question number 41.
You can have tea, coffee, A, or B and C, but...
Question number 42.
She is honest. She is not very friendly. A, but B and C, or...
Question number 43.
The package delivered yesterday. A was B where C is.
Question number 44.
She was writing a letter when I called. A was B, is C, has.
Question number 45.
By the time we arrived, the show. A had started B, started C, starts.
Question number 46.
She to Paris twice. A has been, B was C had.
Question number 47.
They not finished their homework yet. A have B has C had.
Question number 48.
While I was watching TV, the lights went out. A watch B was watching, C watched.
Question number 49.
The teacher said, "We start the lesson now. A shall be, should see, will."
Question number 50.
Everyone must do it by themselves.